Let's solve one of the important question asked in the previous year Olympiad exam. So here the given question is minus 1 to the power 205 plus minus 1 to the power 202. We need to find the solution to this problem. So here let me assume minus 1 to the power 205 to be equal to P, and the next term minus 1 to the power of 202 to be equal to Q. So we need to find the value of P plus Q here. So in order to find the value of P plus Q, we need to know one piece of information first. So minus 1 to the power of any odd number is always equal to minus 1. It could be minus 1 to the power 1, 3, 5, anything. Similarly, minus 1 to the power of even number is always plus 1. So it could be minus 1 to the power of 2, 4, 6, 8, any number. So you get the value to be 1. So now we need to find the value of minus 1 to P, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 205. We know that 205 is an odd number. Since minus 205 is an odd number, so we get minus 1 to the power of 205 to be minus 1. And we know that 202 is an even number. Since 202 is an even number, minus 1 to the power of 202 will be equal to plus 1. So now the question asked was to find the value of P plus Q. So we need to add the two numbers, that is minus 1 plus 1. What we get is 0. So the solution to the given problem, that is minus 1 to the power of 205 plus minus 1 to the power of 202 will be equal to 0. So this is the final solution to the given problem. Guys, this is one of the important question which was asked in the previous year Olympiad exam. That is, it was asked in 2017 Olympiad exam, IMO. It was actually asked in the level 2 question paper. So it requires a little bit of logical thinking also, because you need to carefully observe the pattern. Thank you for watching the video. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.